atoms. Number 2, atoms are indestructible. And 3, atoms are solid but invisible. Number 4, atoms are homogeneous. Number 5, atoms differ in size, shape, mass, position, and arrangement.
Greek philosophers pioneered the quest of finding out the basic composition of matter. Yes, one of them is Democritus. Democritus is one of those ancient philosophers that spent their lives searching for answers to the question, what are things made of? This has been the minds of many, which eventually led to a series of assumptions and experiments to find the answer to this question. From the tiniest stone up to the biggest spin, everything is made up of something. They all want to identify what that something is.
Democritus was a great philosopher born in Abdera, Greece in 460 BC. He lived to be 90 years old, dying in the year of 370 BC. He was considered as a genius and said that he had written over 60 works about
ethics, astronomy, physics, medicine, physical theory, and epistemology.
named about a few of his interests. But we must focus to his idea that remained influential up until the 20th century. The idea of atoms was first put forth by him over 2,000 years ago. According to Feynman Democritus, a large information expressed in fewest words.
Democritus is famous about his claim that the universe is consist of atoms and void. Atoms comes from the Greek word atomos, which means indivisible. For Democritus, atoms are the fundamental building blocks of everything that were solid, indivisible, and indestructible. These atoms exist in the void, which for Democritus conceived of as nothingness or empty space. And all the things in this world are created when atoms collide and became entangled with each other. The universe is composed of two elements, the atoms and the void, in which they exist and move. Matter is composed of tiny particles called atoms. They thought that if you cut something in half and half times, eventually you'll reach a particle that can't be cut anymore. Iron is made up of iron particles. Clay is made up of clay particles. And cheese is made up of cheese particles. And the attributed properties of each substance is the forms of atoms. They thought that iron atoms were hard and attached together with hooks, and clay atoms were softer and attached by ball and socket joints that made them flexible, and cheese atoms were squishy and delicious.
Democritus gave us an example of stone, but for now, let this paper serve as an example. Democritus knew that if you took a piece of paper and cut it in half, each half had the same properties as the original stone. He reasoned that if you continue to cut the piece of paper into smaller and smaller pieces, at some point you would reach a piece so tiny that it could no longer be divided.
I have here chalk and I will break this until to its smallest fragment, which is called atomos, which means unable to cut.
Let me give you a last example on this theory. For example, I have here a leaf. If I tear this into tiny pieces until it cannot be cut anymore, proving that atom is the smallest particle of all,